This is Suraya Ubaid, and I have with me Aisha Zulfiqar and Javiya Zulfiqar. We have conducted this experiment to evaluate the usability of COVID 19 applications and user response related to it. I will be covering a little bit of background of this experiment in this presentation as well as the related work we were able to see while studying the topic. Our research methodology, the hypothesis formulated for the experiment, obtained results and future directions. December 2019 brought a misery for whole world in the form of COVID-19 that emerged from Wuhan, China and eventually spread across the continents. This situation changed everything for us from domestic matters to professional ones. Work from home, e-banking, e-education and e-healthcare that were not more than concepts became part of every household. Especially we saw a rise in development as well as usage of healthcare applications. These applications are focused on providing timely and correct information to users such as up-to-date precautionary measures, symptoms, guidelines and information related to. Our research has three main objectives that are finding out the percentage of participants involved in this experiment satisfied with the usability of COVID-19 applications and their features. Overall perception about the effectiveness of applications, or more specifically COVID applications, and the users' trust towards authenticity of information provided in the applications. Whole experiment was conducted in three steps. First, we did keyword-based searching using the keywords like COVID or Corona or coronavirus, Corona checker, and other ones that were related to COVID-19. Although there are number of applications available on Play Store that are dedicated entirely for COVID-19, but we were not able to include all because of language barrier or some were premium. We selected 10 applications out of 63 to conduct the experiment for evaluation of user experience. Hypotheses we proposed prior to this research are mentioned here in the slide. First says that most of the applications related to COVID-19 used for viewing details about the disease provide correct information to the users that they want or need. And the second says that usability of these sites matches the standards set by Nielsen's usability heuristics and the system usability scale. In the experiment, there were 30 participants of age group 18 to 45 or above who evaluated the usability and user experience of selected applications related to COVID-19. They were given a task set and then they were asked to answer a survey related to it that included system usability scale questionnaire. Here is the task set which was focused on visibility, usability, learnability, help and supportability of applications. With the help of qualitative as well as quantitative evaluation, we were able to formulate overall experience of applications. User satisfaction is around 30.9 regarding the applications. 36% participants found it easy and learnable, while for effectiveness we observed mixed response. Some of them were satisfied and some had total opposite views about effectiveness of information display in these applications. Around 50% stayed neutral about the effectiveness, which can be considered as negative response for it. Overall, applications were seen as usable and learnable, but its effectiveness in terms of information display is still a question, as it was not much praised. We will be expanding the boundary of research by including more participants in the future as well as diverse set of healthcare applications to get more clear picture of user experience regarding such domain.